Here's what I think about the MyForex fund scandal with the CFTC. First of all, I'm not surprised. I'm absolutely not surprised, and I was actually talking about this since months ago, since last year. I was mentioning it in my live streams, in my videos. I don't even understand why people are complaining like, oh my god, my Forex fund scammed us. They didn't really put our trades uh, to straight to through processing like STP to the market. Oh my god, we were just trading uh, against his own brokerage. I mean, guys, I just don't understand those YouTubers or influencers who are actually making a big deal about this. Like, they're acting, and many guys are just acting like this would be like a unique thing. But just for your information, that these kind of prop firms are all doing exactly the same thing. All of them. I could mention the big names, the small names. Everyone in this industry is doing exactly the same thing. The biggest mistake that MyForexFunds made actually is that they were claiming that they're trading with they're putting their traders to the real market, and they were claiming that they only making profit if the traders are making profit. So instead, they would be quite all right, in my personal opinion. They would be quite all right if they would have just said that, hey guys, we only make money if you lose. Like, that's simple. Like, if they would have played with open cards, that this problem would have never appeared. If they would have said from the first stage that, hey guys, this is only a simulated environment, no trades are going to the real market, you're all trading inside of our prop firm, they would be still they would have not been shut down. They would be still operating, and that's it. That's the whole thing. Although maybe regulators would come up with something else, but the main thing is this. So that's why they went after the company. And the CEO, this Kazmir, I don't even know who the hell it is, took out tens of millions of dollars from the company. And you know what I say? Why couldn't he done that? Why wouldn't he done that? I'm sorry, my English is not my best. But why is that such a big deal? All of them are doing that. All of them. Of course he took out that money. That was his interest. That was the business model of the company. The business model was actually the simplest statistical number which is in the market since decades, which is that more than 90 or 95% of traders fail. And that's what these prop firms are using in their advantage. That's their edge. So yes, he was making tens of millions of dollars while my Forex fund was actually paying out the profitable traders. Yes, I know there's another side of the coin, because they were using software which was screwing up the spreads and slippage and everything. And there's a big laugh because I made a video. You can check it out. It got quite a view in my channel. At TFT, their CEO actually admitted this, like a few months ago. Sometime in this year. But he was doing an interview, and he said it, that they are using software to simulate market environment by widening up the spread and the slippage and stuff like that. Guys, it's just, I'm always surprised that some people start to bash on prop firms, like, oh, they scammed us, they're so bad, they're scammed everyone, because Guys, you're in the same, whatever prop firm you're trading right now, you're in the same dish. That's it. You're in the same pothole as everyone. The prop firm, whatever they say, an unregulated Forex prop firm, which is using MetaTrader, let it be 4 or 5, whatever, an unregulated MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 prop firm, the best interest is to have more and more people to fail in their challenge. Why isn't it not so clear by now? And I'm not saying you can't make money with prop firms, but most likely it's going to be hard to make money if you're trading with full leverage, full lot size, and you're aiming for 3 to 5 pips of profit on euro, dollar, or pound, because it's going to be hard for you then. You're going to be eaten up by spread and commissions. So, but you can make money on prop firms. You can make money, and they know that majority of traders are very bad at risk management, and they're just using this at their advantage. And you know what? By me, it's all fine. It's fine by me. I don't care. I had an account at MyForexFunds too. It's totally fine by me. I don't give an F that they were pulling out money from the company. And many people are saying that, okay, many prop firm CEOs are saying that, oh, we are now going to operate outside the US. We're pulling operations to Dubai or, whatever. So what? Okay. But, I think this thing with MyForexFunds is actually a good thing. That finally it can open up many people's eyes that okay, this is what it's all about. It's actually kind of a casino effect. They have an edge and you just put in the money. And so I don't care. There's gonna be new prop firms coming up. They're gonna be doing the same shit. And I'm not going to name other companies, but I'm just talking about the biggest ones and the oldest names and the biggest names in the industry. Whichever you think, it is also doing the same. They are doing the same tricks, and they will do the same tricks. That's their goal. And yeah, that's my take on this whole thing. I couldn't care less. I welcomed it. Finally, prop firms are starting to write the truth about their model, that these are simulated accounts, simulated environment, simulated. The magic word is simulated. I would expect prop firms to be more open and transparent, and I would like to hear their CEOs to say that, yes, we are actually making a very big deal of income by people who are failing, and we are actually paying out the profitable traders of that money. What's so big a deal of that? If I would own a prop firm, I would say this out loud, and I would never establish a prop firm inside the US, that's for sure. Oh, and another thing, as I was saying, 95% of traders fail, or 90%. What do you think is happening when you go to a regulated Forex broker, not a prop firm? Forget about prop firms now. You go to a regulated Forex brokerage and you deposit like small money, like a few $100 or $1,000, whatever, you deposit some money to a regulated broker, you start to trade. What do you think is happening with these small guppy fishes? Because these are what we are, what those people are, what the majority is doing. Like, they are so-called be-booked. These traders are immediately be-booked in a regulated Forex broker, whether it's in the US or in EU. If you are depositing a relatively small amount, you're just a small fish. And you know what? They are expecting that money as income immediately, because they also know that these small traders, the majority, like 90% of these small traders, are going to lose that money either way. So what do? They immediately B-book your trades, which means if you have $1,000 account or $500 account or whatever, your trades will never go straight to the market. It's gonna be held inside their brokerage firm, even if they state that they have an ECN connection, blah blah blah, and everything. The fine print is what matters. They have the right and they have the ability to B-book you, and nobody is going to care and check on that. Just letting you know. So yeah, if you're saying that, okay, from now on I'm going to be only trading with a regulated broker, forex broker, great, you're going to be booked. But if you're going to be doing some constant profits from time to time, then maybe, you wouldn't know anyway, maybe they will put you to the A book after some time, after like a few months, maybe after 2 or 3 months or 5 months, who knows. Maybe they will put you on the A book. They don't care about these small traders, retail traders. Maybe if you would be like $100,000 trader, like real money, you deposit 100K or 200K or $1 million, maybe they would consider like putting you under observation in terms of risk management. But if you deposit a few hundred or 10 or 1,000, maybe even 5 or 10K, you're B-booked, my friend. That's it. So what's the difference really, right? Nothing. You're basically pushing the same button. You're watching the same chart. That's it. I couldn't care less. So let's just move on. Forget about this. It's a good thing that this happened. I hope MyForexFunds, maybe in a different shape or form, will return. You know, they were paying out people. But the only thing I would like to be handled better is that these prop firms should not be using that much these kind of softwares which are, you know, putting the traders into bigger spread or slippage. Now that would be something to be, it would be great to be controlled. But anyway, that's just my take. So that's my opinion about the MyForexFunds scandal and CFTC, blah, blah, blah. That's it. The show must go on, guys, and it will go on. Who cares? I don't care. And you should treat this business with the way like this. You are trading demo money. Demo money. Even if even if some offshore prop firms will use the word like live accounts, don't believe that. It's demo money. Demo. But honestly, do we really care if it's simulated or demo or whatever? Do we care if they pay out? No, not really. Not really. If they have a fair treatment for their better or profitable traders, I couldn't care less if it's demo or whatever, right? Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna be doing a separate video about why I was skipping so much time from streaming, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I think. All right, peace out.